A police corporal was shot and injured but managed to hit one of his attackers, killing him in what was an attempted robbery Sunday morning in Sydenham, in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Reports from the police are that the corporal had left home for work when he was pounced upon by 4 men, one of whom was armed with a gun. The men reportedly tried to rob the cop, however the lawman refused and opened fire, hitting one of the would-be robbers, killing him. In the melee, the corporal was reportedly shot in the left forearm. He was taken to hospital where he is receiving treatment. The Spanish Town Criminal Investigation Bureau is investigating the incident. The police in St. Catherine are probing the murder of a man who was shot in the face in De La Vega City, Spanish Town, on Friday. Killed was Gregory Lawson, otherwise called Twinny, 30, of De La Vega City. It is reported that about 10:15 a.m. residents stumbled upon Lawson's body in the vicinity of a bar and summoned the police. Lawson had what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the face. He was taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. 3 men were arrested after the police seized a 9mm Ruger pistol during a vehicular checkpoint on the Pigeon Plain Main Road in St. Elizabeth early Sunday morning. Reports from the St. Elizabeth police are that about 1 a.m. the lawmen stopped a motor car with 3 male occupants. During the search of a bag around one of the passengers' neck, the firearm was found. The man and the other occupants were arrested. Their identifications are being withheld pending further investigations. A woman abandoned her vehicle after the car she was driving flipped, landing on its side inside a service station on Washington Boulevard in St. Andrew early Saturday morning. It is reported that the unidentified woman was not hurt in the incident. Reports from the onlookers are that about 2:40 a.m. the car was seen gliding through the air, later clipping a wall and ultimately landing on its side. The onlookers theorized that the driver of the vehicle may have been running from the police prior to the incident, noting that the law enforcement officers were quickly on the scene. The driver of the ill-fated vehicle is rumored to have been coming from a party.